give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes.
So get your paint and just apply it onto the wood, and this can be any colour of your choice, and this is optional as well, but I've just gone for purple. Okay, so now we're going to make our letter, and this could be any letter of your choice, but I'm just going to go for A. And I've just got this simple ruler, and this is the easiest way that I make most of my letters. So I just size it up by the ruler, and this literally takes less than 30 seconds, especially when you don't have a good writing skill or drawing skill. And there you have your A, so we're just going to go ahead and cut it out. So here you have your A, and that was really easy to do, and that's what I normally do with most of my letters. Get a ruler like that and just size it out so all of the sides are the same width and length. So now we're just going to get our block of wood now that it's dried, and we're going to start using our hammer and nail and start hammering it together. And I normally recommend a small hammer like this because it's easier to hold, and also it doesn't really hurt your hand. So we're just going to put our nails aside, and
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes.
hi guys, so this is what it looks like once it's been finished. This will be a giveaway, so if you do want to enter, read the description and all the things inside. And this is a UK one and US one only. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so you're notified next time I upload a video. And also don't forget to check out the other crafts like this that I've done, and I'm going to put that in the description. Thanks for watching, and until then, take care and goodbye.